Josh, you got the box?
Hey, I do.
You got the box?
Hi, I'm Luke J, and today my buddy Josh's iPhone 12 Pro arrived. He upgraded from an iPhone 7, so it was pretty interesting.
All right, sir.
That's such a small box. It's like...
Yeah, that's insane. That's actually smaller than I thought it'd be.
And there it is.
You got a brick?
I've got like
The regular?
Yeah.
Wow.
That feels good.
Yeah? Dude, congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, I guess
Yeah,
this is the
yep,
power.
that's the power. All right, you've never had something like this.
This is such a different model. Like,
Yeah.
it's like there's no home button. That's so weird to me. Like, what?
All that empty space at the bottom.
Why is there space? Like,
It'd be awkward if it was all the way down there.
that's weird. Okay. It's a smaller phone, but it's a bigger screen.
We've already decided that tomorrow we're gonna go out and test the camera. So tune back in, because you won't want to miss it. See you guys then.